Welcome back to Broncos and Parts Garage. My name is Chris. If you're new to the channel, please stick around to the end. You'll see additional links for content we've created and uploaded already. This summer, I have not posted a lot of videos. I hardly posted any how-to videos, and I apologize for that. I get a lot of comments, a lot of emails saying, hey, we want this, hey, we want that. I do have a vacuum line video coming out pretty soon, and we're really happy to release that because I get that request probably the most. That said, I've got this LMR box behind me. They solved a problem that a lot of us had. We've got our A-pillar trim. You know, the A-pillar right here goes across the windshield and up by your head. A lot of these trim pieces are broken. Either the holes are really over drilled out where guys just ran the screw through, or the tab right here is busted off and the spacer is busted off. This is a little 1-inch spacer that kept the plastic from cracking if you over tighten that screw. Usually had some felt on it, but we don't have to hunt for these anymore. You don't have to buy them used anymore and hope they ship and get to you in one piece. So we're gonna toss that to the side. LMR, for me, was known for Mustang parts, late model restoration. They sold me some fantastic parts for my notchback and my convertible. A while ago, they started selling 5th generation Bronco parts, and as you know, they will fit the 9th generation OBS Ford trucks. They were kind enough to send me a brand new A-pillar that they're producing. This one's in opal gray. This is the one they sent to us. You don't have to worry about the busted out holes. You've got the tab on the end to go over your kick panel, and you do have the spacer right here. Now they covered it in some foam. It's not felt. And again, that's just to stop any type of vibration. And the inch spacers to keep you from crushing and cracking the plastic when you put it in. The color match, here's an OEM style. The color match I think is fantastic. It's gonna be a little bit different, guys. You know, your OEM part has been sitting in the sun in your dash for what, 25 or 30 years, Josh? So I think they did a fantastic job color matching it. They ship it in this box. Now I've tried to ship these used and I have to get insurance every time because the post office will just annihilate these parts. They ship it in a very heavy duty box. The box probably weighs 3 or 4 pounds. I mean, you're not gonna get these broken. With that said, they're still gonna attach to your OEM mounting points with your OEM hardware. There's 4 attachment points. The kick panel, up in the corner, up at the top, and then this is gonna go over your windshield sill. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take one, they sell them in pairs. We're gonna actually take the one out of this 96 F-250 behind me. I didn't have a Bronco that actually needed them, but this one does need it. We're gonna install it off camera, and then we're gonna go over it and tell you guys about the fit and finish, so stick around, we'll be right back. Okay, we've got the A-pillar trim installed from LMR. We're gonna take a look at it. Again, these are for 92 through 96 Ford Broncos. We just happen to have an OBS Ford here, so it will work in both vehicles. So let's go take a look. In our truck, we don't have the kick panel installed, but as you know, that goes over the kick panel trim. So we'll follow it up. It's got a nice tight fit on the inside. It fits over the seal very well. Goes underneath your window sill trim. I'm not gonna break my back going all the way down the side, but this gives you an idea all the way over. I don't want to blind you with the light, but it's a great fit. It's a great finish, and it's a fantastic solution to a huge problem all of us Bronco and OBS Ford guys had. These were always broken, unless you got a really low mileage truck. And if you have a low mileage truck, you probably bought it from the Bronco King. So there you have it, the new A-pillar trim. They come in a pair, they come from LMR. I'll put a link in the video description below. We're really happy with this. Guys like me that sell used parts, this is, it's good news for you guys, it's bad news for us, but I'd give it a shot and see what else they're selling right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this, and we'll see you next time.